So y'all, today we're playing Knockout and it's brutal for real. I always use the bubblegum to bounce off and knock someone off. Well, that wasn't the case. This plugin just went full throttle and ruined it. So I'm thinking about changing history and sending Shakespeare into the abyss or this McDonald's worker. But no, I got sent into the abyss with the plugin. So I just time traveled to the next match. Don't ask me how. And we got the penguin peak. I wanted to charge at this guy, but my dumb was too slow to slow down and fell because I thought he was gonna dodge. I'm out, I'm just time traveling again. And we got the two teams. Who should we go for? I'm going for this guy. Actually, no, bye-bye ice cream win. But then my got greedy and fell, so I'm time traveling. And we got this W map. I charged at the plugin brother. But then he knew my greedy would go for him and I crashed and did a loop. But then that annoying McDonald's worker fell into the abyss. I tried to do the bubblegum thing again. But then Teddygin fell. I knew what I had to do. Get Bluegin's brother. I predicted that I would hit the bubblegum and hit him off. And I was right.
I got this!
And I won because that dumb Shakespeare fell because of my aura. But OFC, everyone voted for the dumb Juggernaut game mode. But then a miracle happened, everyone actually voted for free for all. And I knew I had to get that annoying McDonald's worker out of here.
I got this!
Bro, already he was done.
I got this!
So I went to the middle. But then right, and there was Shakespeare. So I will send him into the abyss.
I got this!
And I tried getting close. But then Teddygin was hungry, so he ate the ice cream win, but it fell. I tried manipulating him into thinking I'm passive and go full throttle. So let the chefguin cook. But then he went too far and fell like a dumb
I got this!
And I won. But then for real, actually, everyone voted for this dumb Juggernaut mode. But I had a different plan. Knock out my teammates.
I got this! I got this! I got this!
Now he can have this win. Look at my majestic face. I'm gonna replay the song. I went full charge at this grass-looking but I didn't realize I was greedy and died. This is why knockout is brutal.